Today, I will show you how to measure the color difference of plastic particles. Hello everyone, this is Free NH. If you want to say goodbye to color difference, just come to me. The samples to be measured today are 3 sets of plastic particles. Let's see how to measure the color difference of plastic particles. The instrument is a benchtop spectrophotometer, TS8260. First, measure a set of samples, POE plastic particles. As usual, check the black and white calibration before measurement. It's still within the calibration period. Pour POE plastic particles into a special cuvette. Place the POE plastic particle standard sample at the port and clamp it. Press the measurement button. This is the color value of POE plastic particles. In the data management area, to view the automatically saved measurement data, the tolerance range for this measurement is set within 1. Uses the CIE color space. The observer angle is 10 degree. D65 light source. If you also have sample testing needs, feel free contact us.